Hello travellers, tucked high in the central mountains of Sri Lanka lies a place unlike anywhere else on the island. A land of cool mist, green hills and timeless charm. Welcome to Nuwara Eliya, the misty crown of Sri Lanka, where the air is crisp, the landscapes are lush, and the echoes of history linger in every corner. Often called Little England, Nuwara Eliya was once the summer escape of British colonials who came in search of cooler air and rolling green pastures. Today, it still retains that nostalgic charm, with English-style cottages, rose gardens, golf courses, and the iconic red brick post office that feels frozen in time. At the centre of town lies the peaceful Lake Gregory, its still waters mirroring the sky. Whether you're boating across the glassy surface, riding horseback along the trails, or simply enjoying a cup of Ceylon tea by the shore, here, life slows down and the world grows quiet. But Nuwara Eliya's soul is found in its tea fields, stretching endlessly across the hills. This is the heart of Ceylon tea country, where the finest high-grown tea in the world is cultivated at altitudes of over 6,000 feet. Tour a plantation, walk among the rows of tea bushes, visit a working factory, and taste the legacy that has made Sri Lanka a name known worldwide. Just outside town lies the Hakgala Botanical Gardens, a cool climate sanctuary of rare flora and towering trees. With over 10,000 plant species, winding paths, and romantic legends tied to the Ramayana, it's a place that's as magical as it is peaceful. And for the adventurous, the Horton Plains National Park awaits. Hike through cloud forests and open plains to reach World's End, a sheer cliff that offers one of the most dramatic and unforgettable views in all of Sri Lanka. On clear mornings, the landscape seems to fall away into eternity. But beyond its beauty, Nuwara Eliya is also a place of simple pleasures. Freshly grown vegetables from local farms, juicy strawberries you can pick yourself, and warm hospitality that turns every visitor into family. As evening falls and the mist drapes the hills in silver, you'll understand why so many travellers return here, not just to see it again, but to feel it again. Come experience the calm. Come embrace the cool winds and warm hearts. Come to Nuwara Eliya, where Sri Lanka wears its crown of clouds and whispers stories in every breeze. Nuwara Eliya, a place where the mountains remember.